So ASUS Philippines has approached me to review the Asus Tuf Gaming H3 wireless gaming headset. Full disclosure, while I am given this product for free, I will be giving my full honest opinion about the headset. Now, when it comes to gaming peripherals, a common expectation would be rainbow pukes, RGB lighting all around. But not the Asus Tuf H3 wireless. It comes in a black, silver, and gray box, and inside is pretty much straight to the point. The headset itself, some paperwork, the charging cable, and oh, the USB dongle, which I just noticed right after unboxing because it was stuck to the bottom. In terms of looks, the headset itself is pretty minimalist, not over the top, premium, and sleek. Leather ear cushions and headband cover with Tuf Gaming debossed on it. The headband itself is made from stainless steel, which are really easy to adjust based on the size of your head. It has a brushed metal texture on the outer side of the ear cups with an engraved ASUS logo. On the inside has the left and right labels engraved along the Tuf Gaming logo. They did a slight effort on the design of the mic. They added a bit of a ridge to give it a bit more of a gaming look with a brushed metal texture. For the controls, buttons, and the ports, you have the mic itself, but it's not removable. You have a USB-C port for charging. You have the power button, a dial to control the volume, and the mute button. The headset features a 2.4 GHz wireless connection via a USB-C dongle. It also provides cross-platform support for PCs, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and smartphones. Basically anything that you can fit the dongle into. And connecting is quite easy. Insert the dongle on your computer, turn on the headset, and it instantly connects with little to no delay. Simple as that. But the dongle itself is a bit of a struggle to insert and remove, and I'm not sure why. Usually, USB-C ports or USB-C dongles are quite easy to connect or remove. You would have to give it a bit of a jimmy to remove or to insert it, but it just might be my USB port or it might not. It is stated that you can use it up to a 25-meter range, but who works or plays 25 meters away from their laptop or computer, right? As long as there isn't any connectivity issues while your laptop or computer is beside you with the USB dongle connected to it, it should be good, right? And with the Asus Tuf H3 wireless, it does its job. No delay, no sudden disconnection. For the battery, it gave me more or less 12 hours of use, but it is stated to provide approximately 15 hours of use, so it can depend how you use it. The included cable is only for charging, but you can use it while it's charging. Just connect the charging cable to your headset and plug it to a USB port or a power brick and connect the dongle to your PC or laptop, and there you go. For comfort, it's indeed wearable, but after around an hour or two, it does get slightly uncomfortable, but it just might be my ears. And do be wary of the leather ear cushions, it can get hot. As someone who sweats a lot, it's indeed a factor, but I've experienced worse with my ROG Delta. But if your workspace or gaming area has air conditioning, there's no problem at all. The headset itself is not bulky and quite light, and unless you have a small head, it won't take up much headspace. When it comes to listening to music, I do have a few things to point out. With this headset, you won't have any problems with bass. You do feel the oomph, you do feel the boominess. You won't have any problems with your hip-hop beats or your dubstep music. But I do feel like it slightly needs a bit more work on the mids and the treble, as it needs a bit more clarity on those areas. I do notice it when it comes to the female vocals, but not to the point that it gets drowned in the background. For casual listeners, it's a decent sound output. You will definitely hear what you need to hear. But for hardcore audiophiles, you will definitely find something better. In terms of gaming, I consider myself competitive but casual, meaning I'm no esports pro, but I do enjoy my gaming sessions in learning the fundamentals enough to hold my own in a match. The Tuf H3 wireless is for gaming, and it ticks every box in that area. I feel the roar of the engines when I play F1 2021 or Gran Turismo. I hear the clarity of the gunshots and the footsteps of my enemies in Valorant, and that A sound still feels satisfying when you hear it with this headset. Also, if you're in the mood for some tweaking, the headset is also compatible with the Asus Armory Pin. and you can play around with the equalizer there. For sound input, it's definitely no professional mic, and I wouldn't even recommend it for streaming. But it's clear enough for when you want to talk with other players in-game. Here's a comparison. Here is a sound test using the Asus ROG Eye webcam mic. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing, testing. Here's a sound test using the Asus ROG Delta gaming headset. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing, testing. Here's a sound test using the Asus Tuf Gaming H3 wireless gaming headset. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing, testing. Also, something to point out, when I was gaming with my friends, they told me that it sounds like when race engineers communicate with drivers in Formula 1.
Box and pit confirm please, Max.
All in all, I would say the Asus Tuf Gaming H3 wireless gaming headset is sleek, functional, and gets the job done. If you're sick of wires, it's a decent choice of a wireless headset, plus it's quite affordable for what it offers. You can get it for around 3,490 to 4,230 pesos. If you're looking to buy one, I'll be providing links to official ASUS Philippines stores on the description box below. Thank you so much to ASUS Philippines for sending these. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Somewhere